6 people have died and 20 people are in critical care after a huge fire engulfed a West London tower block on Tuesday night. The building is still on fire and many people are unaccounted for. The fire was reported at the 24-story block, Grenfell Tower, in North Kensington, 12:54 BST. It is believed to have started on the 4th floor and spread incredibly quickly. 40 fire engines and around 200 firefighters went to tackle the blaze. 6 people have died, according to police, with the number expected to rise. 74 people have been treated in hospital, according to the London Ambulance Service. 6 hospitals, St Mary's, Chelsea and Westminster, Royal Free, St Thomas's, Charing Cross Hospital and King's College Hospital, have received patients. St Mary's said it is treating 16 patients, 3 of whom are critical. Charing Cross Hospital is treating 4 patients, but none is critical. St Thomas's Hospital has confirmed that 4 patients have been treated. Chelsea and Westminster, Royal Free and King's College Hospital have treated 25, 12 and 12 patients respectively. London Fire Commissioner Danny Cotton said a number of firefighters had suffered minor injuries. Eyewitnesses have said some people may be trapped in the building, which contains about 120 flats. Notting Dale Ward Councillor Judith Blakeman, who lives across the road from the block, said between 400 and 600 people live in the building. London Mayor Sadiq Khan said fire crews only managed to reach the 12th floor at the height of the fire. The Met Police has set up an emergency number, 08000961233, for anyone concerned about friends or family. People who live in the block, but have left, are being urged to make themselves known to the authorities so that they know they are safe. Matt Rack, General Secretary of the Fire Brigades Union, said a full investigation will need to be undertaken at the first possible opportunity. Grenfell Tower is on Latimer Road, in West London. It's part of the Lancaster West Estate, a social housing complex of almost 1,000 homes, in the borough of Kensington and Chelsea. The tower block is near Westfield Shopping Centre in White City and the A40, a major route for traffic entering and leaving the west of London. What do we know about Grenfell Tower? Grenfell Tower was built in 1974 by Kensington and Chelsea Borough Council. A 2-year £10 million refurbishment, which was part of a wider transformation of the estate, was completed by Ryden Construction last year. Work included new exterior cladding, replacement windows and a communal heating system. There was also extensive remodeling of the bottom 4 floors, creating 9 additional homes, and improvements to communal facilities. Ryden said it was shocked to hear of the devastating fire, adding that the work met all required building control, fire regulation and health and safety standards. The tower is managed by the Kensington and Chelsea Tenant Management Organisation, CTMO, on behalf of the council. Robert Black, chief executive of CTMO, said, "The fire at Grenfell Tower is devastating and the reports of injury and losses of life absolutely heartbreaking. Along with my colleagues, I have been supporting residents since the early hours, working with the emergency services and the community. Currently we're focusing on helping those residents, and London Fire Brigade is investigating the safety of the tower's structure, but we will issue a further statement in due course." Grenfell Tower, North Kensington. 120 flats. 24 stories. 20 residential levels. 4 community/podium levels. 2016 refurbishment completed. The local Grenfell Action Group had claimed, before and during the refurbishment, the block constituted a fire risk and residents had warned that access to the site for emergency vehicles was severely restricted. In February 2013 residents warned fire safety equipment, including fire extinguishers, had not been tested for 12 months. The tower block was given a medium fire risk rating, defined as a normal fire risk, in 2016 following completion of the refurbishment by the London Fire Brigade and Kensington and Chelsea Borough Council. The council insists the block has been regularly inspected, but London Mayor Sadiq Khan said safety and maintenance issues would have to be looked at. Concerns raised about Grenfell Tower for years. Jeff Wilkinson, a fire and building inspector, told the BBC that the Grenfell Tower block didn't perform in the way you'd expect a building to perform once it caught fire, as you'd expect it to be contained to an individual apartment. Something has gone dramatica.